8 years after the death of the late Ibuakwa North MP, a year, the late JB Danquah, no, Menoka saying we are here to find the killers of this particular late MP. In fact, each and every day, be a bit that story. There's a new plot twist to this man's death, and you see, there will be any finger in the death of the late JB Danquah. Then it's a new thing at air course, and now say, as usual, no, there are certain theatrics which is going on in courts, which is being done by Sexy Don Don, the main the main suspect in the case or not, according to prosecutors, no, or no, and I just say or call a year a few on that faithful day or call papa and say kind of cool ya and yasem ketwa case na koswa and it's sad. So after so many years the family does not have closure to this case. They are still waiting and in pain, wallowing in pain, watching this case drag on and drag on. I must see a case look better than the political one and they say MPP for a year, say NDC for a year, then they are mentioning people's name left and right. We can't basically prosecute them. But then we are not shocked because according to Sexy Don Don, ni pana or order for the killing of a year, the late JB Danquah or Abemu. Penny for, and even say you can't you will see say sa poison this mekum and as be with team were coming. Our politics mono mpese me yinefi wo na me nyama hini na me nya de me pe no start here enye ne today me no can say nipa ba ho a ni din abepim in this whole Sexy Don Don case, the late JB Danquah school death no Madam Ursula Owusu. Yes, you heard me right, Madam Ursula Owusu. Now I know a lot of you will be shocked and people will be asking, say, Nana, how sure are you on this particular thing? I'm 1000% sure because I have evidence as to what I'm saying, because the maybe canon it basically happened in the court. Now let me put this on the screen as I met to so because I want you to know exactly where I'm coming from and where this information is really coming from. So if a person who into details now, you can actually go there and see what is really going on. Now, if you look closely, this is coming from Ghana Web, or say JB Killer's trial. That's JB Danquah's Killer's trial. Ursula Owusu Ekufo names pop up in courts. Tinye JB Killer trial no pass Ursula Owusu ni din epim ewo court. She has been fingered in the death. So the question is, how is she fingered? My cat was a Sexy Don Don, the lawyer no for some time now with Jano. Sexy Don Don, the lawyer no lawyer na odi na sema man na say o defending no omunte matete amayama Sexy Don Don new lawyer. But this time around, our lawyer na Sexy Don Don akofa na kamya kwese the lawyer is really working. A bra case ne course na ye cross examine the prosecutors and the prosecution team no one more the case na ba say yen jelly Sexy Don Don because no kun the late JB Danquah no any ma Sexy Don Don lawyers chance say grill and cross examine the witnesses and the prosecution in such Don Don lawyer and eje the podium and I say oje stage no and starts to obisa questions questions or starts to obisa and how and Ursula Owusu edin be pim. So for context, let me explain what really happened in court. According to the Sexy Don Don's lawyer or really the prosecution or patch say I didn't na prosecution be pimene omuntimi bi o ma no enka say Madam Ursula Owusu, the minister of communication and digitalization minister no ni din ebo the death of the late JB Danquah, and I say she's been fingered in the death of the late JB Danquah. It's your boy Ursula Owusu in a court why you after the prosecution no oma edin iko ebi so ma so mutimi nkasa and a lawyer na san ekoya obisa say prosecution no omo kanche court say Madam Ursula Owusu dia be pim na Madam Ursula Owusu mpo no ofa a year a witness bia sa witness no o mama ni code name PW3 and PW4 because asem na kwaye murder case ni ade ade person bi kwaye witness na e chan ye tanechi ye kukuni because kwaye witness e wo bi ho ni ade ade enu ti no they are using code names PW3 witness PW3 and PW4. Now according to a year court the entire according to a yes Sexy Don Don lawyer the entire Ursula Owusu ndi amepie mu ne say Sa witness PW3 ya omo pa yesi ni tuum ohun de course and I say ye kaze sex don do ekun the late JB a omo ni hu bi and I say omo hu niema e sex don so their witness omo ye two ba code name ye PW3 na ba code name ye PW4 and omo pa che say identity na prosecution omo kan check cause say Madam Ursula Owusu file witness PW3 and witness PW4 eto ne car mu tinye drive you all the way to Kanda police station de omo ekoma omo say monje we mu witnesses omo be kan sem and as omo be witnesses testify in court against the late against a friend is a sexy dondon. Let me read this portion or say. In his response, the investigator said, Lawyer Danquah again went on to put to the investigator that it was true, or is it true that you never ever, when you ever took over the investigation with your team, invited Ursula Owusu to give a statement? And we'll be say investigator na no jina or box me cross examine and say obitima ka esini pese since almost 30 case no yen first lo say investigating the dana and e bisa na sem and investigator na e ka say certain things are omo ye no enyom no mu take decision to show say in his response the investigator said I have told the courts it was an investigation team and I don't have the decisions on my own or I don't take decisions on my own. Again, or see, it is also true that you and your team and likewise your bosses whom you take instructions from never disclose the involvement of Ursula Owusu, who took your witnesses PW3 and PW4 to hand them over to the police officer at Kanda Highway. Lawyer Danquah puts it to the investigator. And the say investigator will investigate asem. I didn't tell our case ni na one fine shame we say Ursula Owusu ka ho. E wona court na yedin. And investigator na patch say oh enye me na me make final decisions no. Ye team. The team they make final decisions. Me kan ni nyina e wo ha. And enye me na me take final decision. And the lawyer ni say bisa investigator na say I didn't tell na won kan check court ni say witness PW3 any witness PW4 Ursula Owusu di omo to ne car mu drive omo call police officer bi ho wo Kanda Highway ko hande omo senkofu yi ji omo no mo call witnesses and testify against a sexy dondon an investigator and Eka say the fact had been cleared in this court that during briefing she was the one who took them to the police aka at Kanda. I have told the court. And investigator and Eka say oh no they were catch courts no but nim say court no mo kaya no mo kaya because you can catch a court and say during briefing they say investigation no Ursula Owusu boy and odin krofum you ni bi ba say omo be witness inti we no na ama Ursula Owusu dia be pim am for case Ursula Owusu how on earth the circle of mafia works near the nyina no. How did you know about the witnesses involved in JB Danquah's case? The 12th of March 2024, the case has been adjourned to the 12th of March 2024, and then the Besan courts. Now, the judges for Becca, and I said the lawyers of JB Danquah and the lawyers of SS don't because in some baby do need the because din pia na epie when say who say Ursula Owusu sell on Namokwa. She's driving witnesses around in the late JB Danquah. What does she know about it? That's the big question more Ghanaians are asking. We'll give you more updates as all of these events unfold.